Hello guys, welcome to Trending Hunter channel, your ultimate destination for navigating the world of trading. I am John, your guide on this thrilling journey through markets, strategies, and all things trading related. Join me as we uncover valuable insights, explore techniques, and hunt down the best trading opportunities together. So let's get dive into it. Today our topic is mastering crypto trading strategies for beginners in the USA. Cryptocurrency trading in the USA, the crypto market presents an enticing space for beginners eager to explore and potentially profit from this digital landscape. Here are some essential strategies to consider when venturing into crypto trading. 1. Education is key. Understanding the basics of blockchain, how cryptocurrencies work, and the dynamics of the market is crucial. Numerous online courses, forms of educational resources are available for beginners to grab the fundamentals before diving in. 2. Start small and diversify. Diversifying your portfolio across multiple cryptocurrencies can help spread risk and potentially increase returns. It's essential to research and choose coins wisely based on their utility, technology, and market demand. Stay updated. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and influenced by numerous factors. Stay updated on market trends, news regularly, changes and technological advancements. Follow reputable sources and analytics to make informed decisions. 4. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies like stop loss orders to protect your investments from significant losses. Clear entry and exit points, as well as defining your risk tolerance, is crucial for long-term success. 5. Use technical analysis. Technical analysis tools can assist in understanding market trends, patterns, and potential analytics points. 6. Long-term approach. While day trading can be profitable, consider adopting a long-term investment strategy. Holding on to promising projects for an extended period can yield substantial returns as the technology matures and gains broader adoption. 7. Secure storage. Prioritize the security of your assets by using reputable wallets and exchanges. Hardware wallets offer enhanced security by storing your cryptocurrencies offline, reducing the risk of cyber theft. 8. Emotional discipline and avoid making decisions based solely on fear or greed. Stick to your trading plan and avoid chasing quick gains. Conclusion: entering the world of crypto trading as a beginner in the USA requires patience, continuous learning, and a disciplined approach. By mastering these strategies and staying updated, newcomers can navigate the market more confidently and responsibly, potentially paving the way for successful trading endeavors. Remember, while the crypto market presents opportunities, it also carries risks. Always invest what you can afford to lose and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making significant investment decisions. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.